So I'm Kristof Beets. I'm a business development director for PowerVR Graphics. We're here at CES to show some of our latest PowerVR Graphics technology. So pretty much focused on launching here our new 7XT Plus series. And one of the areas of focus on 7XT Plus is really image processing. And if we look back historically at graphics cores, they've very much been floating point number crunchers. And that's really good for graphics usage cases like gaming. But when we look at a lot of image processing, it's much more integer focused. So really to optimize the performance of these new cores and optimize the power efficiency of these cores, we've significantly improved the integer performance of these graphic solutions. And that really allows us to do 2 to 4 times higher performance for image processing usage cases. Now, the reason a lot of our customers are interested in image processing is that gaming usage cases are really requiring them to put already a significant amount of silicon resource into the GPU. And they want to use that in other usage scenarios. And the camera applications, video applications, the graphics core is really not very busy. So if you can start to use that graphics computational resource at that point, it's really a big benefit because you've already paid for the silicon area, so you might as well get better image quality out of it. And a lot of the sensors in mobile phones, they're very small, so they're sensitive to noise. And one of the OEMs that we've already been working with is ASUS. So they built into their phone some hardware functionality, but it wasn't quite as good as they hoped for. But they have one of the PowerVR GPUs in here, so a 4-cluster Series 6 XT part. So it's a really powerful solution, and they use that to do better noise reduction. And with the really small sensors that you have in mobile phones, that is a really big benefit for them to differentiate their product from the standard built-in hardware functionality that they had. Of course, a lot of the other functions that we are focused on is newer APIs, because using this and coding it for every device that is out there is very expensive. So we're fully standards focused, and that's especially the Kronos organization which works on that. So we've recently enabled OpenVX. OpenVX is a higher level API for computer vision and computer image processing. So really easy for end customers to take all those building blocks, and all the optimization work is already done by Imagination Technologies for that specific GPU. Equally, ourselves are also investing in specific features. So we've been implementing things like noise reduction, face detection, specific algorithms that run really well on our GPUs, and of course, proper system integration from a software point of view. One of the biggest expenses in phones is moving data needlessly around the system. So fully integrating that into the Android software stack so that the developer is really just writing image processing effects rather than a lot of integration is what we've been doing to enable computational photography in the market.